Hello, this is Travel Vet, and welcome to Travel Vet. After years of guiding folks across Europe, I've learned a thing or two about traveling smart. Today, we're going to lighten your load and free up some space in that suitcase as we explore the top 10 things experienced travelers no longer pack. Have you ever found yourself struggling with an overstuffed suitcase or fumbling through a pile of unnecessary items before your trip? If you're ready to elevate your travel game and travel smarter, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the 10 things that experienced travelers no longer pack for a more enjoyable and hassle-free vacation. Let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with the number one culprit of travel stress, the overpacked suitcase. We think we need it all, every outfit for every occasion, just-in-case scenarios. But trust me, nothing saps the joy out of a journey like wrestling a monstrous suitcase through cobblestone streets or train aisles. The beauty of traveling light is in its simplicity. You'll breeze through airports, hop on and off trains without breaking a sweat, and avoid those dreaded checked baggage fees. My golden rule for packing: lay out everything you think you need, then cut it in half. Choose versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched to create different outfits. Embrace the freedom of packing light, and you'll be amazed at how much smoother your travels become. Now, I have a soft spot for a well-worn guidebook. But let's be honest, in today's digital age, they're often more nostalgic than necessary. Your smartphone is a traveler's best friend, offering a world of information right at your fingertips. Download travel apps like Google Maps for easy navigation, TripAdvisor for honest reviews, and Google Translate to bridge language barriers. These apps provide up-to-date information, often more current than printed guidebooks. So ditch the heavy guidebooks and embrace the convenience of technology. And hey, while you're embracing the digital world, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Travel Vet for more travel tips and inspiration. Staying hydrated while traveling is essential, but that doesn't mean you need to lug around a bulky, full-size water bottle. Seasoned travelers know the magic of a collapsible water bottle. These lightweight wonders fold down to a fraction of their size when empty, taking up hardly any space in your bag. Simply fill them up at water fountains after security, or ask a friendly local cafe to top you off. So ditch the bulky bottle and embrace the convenience and eco-friendliness of a collapsible one. In our digital world, it seems like we travel with a tangled mess of chargers and cables for our phones, cameras, tablets. The list goes on. Invest in a universal charger. These handy gadgets are designed to work with multiple devices, so you can consolidate all those bulky chargers into one sleek device. Trust me, a universal charger is a game changer, simplifying your packing and keeping your electronics juiced up for all those incredible travel moments you'll be capturing. Now, I understand the appeal of a high-quality camera, especially for those breathtaking landscapes and once-in-a-lifetime shots. But let's be real, smartphone cameras have come a long way. These days, smartphones boast incredible photo and video capabilities, often rivaling the quality of traditional cameras. With features like portrait mode, night mode, and even wide-angle lenses, you can capture stunning images and videos without the weight and hassle of a separate camera. So unless you're a professional photographer, consider embracing the convenience and quality of your smartphone camera. Now, don't get me wrong, I have a certain fondness for the nostalgic charm of unfolding a large paper map. But when it comes to practical travel, it's time to embrace the digital age. Paper maps, as charming as they are, can be bulky, tear easily, and become outdated quickly. Download offline maps before you go and you'll never be lost, even without an internet connection. So, ditch the paper cuts and embrace the accuracy, convenience, and eco-friendliness of digital maps. We've all been there, unzipping your suitcase only to find a sticky mess because a full-size shampoo bottle decided to explore your belongings. Instead of packing bulky full-size products, opt for travel-sized containers or, even better, solid toiletries. Solid shampoo bars, conditioners, and even sunscreen are becoming increasingly popular, and for good reason. They're compact, lightweight, and eliminate the risk of spills or leaks. So ditch the bulky bottles and embrace the convenience and eco-friendliness of travel-sized or solid toiletries. I know, packing those familiar snacks can be tempting, especially for those just-in-case hunger pangs. But trust me, one of the joys of traveling is experiencing new cultures through their food. Instead of filling your suitcase with snacks from home, pack a few essentials to tide you over and leave room to discover local delicacies. Embrace the adventure of trying new foods. You might just discover your new favorite snack, and even if not, you'll have a fun story to tell. So ditch the excessive snacks and pack an adventurous appetite. Remember those days of carrying a wallet bursting with credit cards, loyalty cards, and enough cash to finance a small expedition? Simplify your life and your wallet by paring down to the essentials. Choose 1 or 2 credit cards that offer great travel rewards, no foreign transaction fees, and are widely accepted in the destinations you're visiting. Notify your bank and credit card companies of your travel plans to avoid any issues with your cards being flagged for suspicious activity. A streamlined wallet means less to carry, less to lose, and a smoother transaction process. And finally, the number one thing savvy travelers leave behind: work. Vacations are precious opportunities to relax, recharge, and embrace new experiences. Don't let work emails, deadlines, or that nagging feeling of being connected intrude on your well-deserved time off. Leave the laptop at home, silence those work notifications, and resist the urge to check in. Instead, immerse yourself in the destination. So, ditch the work-related items and embrace the freedom of a true escape. So there you have it, my friends. The 10 things savvy travelers leave behind to make their journeys smoother, lighter, and more enjoyable. Remember, packing light isn't just about saving space in your suitcase. It's about freeing yourself from unnecessary burdens and opening up to new possibilities. When you travel light, you travel smart, allowing yourself to fully embrace the transformative power of travel. Now, I want to hear from you. What are some of the things you've learned to leave behind on your travels? Share your tips and experiences in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Travel Vet for more travel tips, inspiration, and adventures. Safe travels and happy packing.